Ashton here with another video. Today we're going to be looking out for an EAS alert. If you have an EAS alert, look in the comments below. If you have an EAS alert, put it in the comments below. I'll be appreciated for that. And yeah, let's get on for the hunt. Alright, counting cars is on.
Once the bodies were mounted and framed up and all the body work was done, they went crazy on the paint. The mission here was to honor our vets with two beautiful, unique pieces of artwork.
Wow.
Mona from the Wounded Warriors Project, she's here to check them out, and we're going to present her with these two gorgeous pops of cars. I'm Danny.
Hi, Danny.
Very, very, very nice to meet you.
Wonderful to meet you.
This is Ryan.
Hi, Ryan.
I'll wait an hour, so see you guys. Okay guys, I have waited an hour, so it should be on.
Alright, I think it's time for Mike. Mike, do you know how to drive, man?
Stop peeking through the windows.
Yeah, are you peeking?
There you go. Are you ready?
Okay guys, so there's no EAS alerts. Yeah. There's no EAS alerts. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you had an EAS alert, talk in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.